Paleolithic period. The Paleolithic period, also known as the Old Stone Age, is a prehistoric era that extends from the earliest known use of stone tools by hominins, roughly 3.3 million years ago, until the end of the last ice age, around 10,000 BCE. During the Paleolithic period, humans lived as hunter-gatherers, relying on hunting wild animals and gathering fruits, nuts, and other plant-based foods for survival. They also used stone tools and fire for cooking, warmth, and protection. The Paleolithic period is divided into three main stages: the Lower Paleolithic, the Middle Paleolithic, and the Upper Paleolithic. The Lower Paleolithic is characterized by the development of simple stone tools, while the Middle Paleolithic saw the emergence of more complex tools, such as the Mousterian tools used by Neanderthals. The Upper Paleolithic is marked by the appearance of art, such as cave paintings, and the development of more advanced stone tools, such as the blade technology used by modern humans. Overall, the Paleolithic period was a crucial time in human history, as it laid the foundations for many of the cultural, social, and technological advances that followed in later periods.